Okay, we have the third belt ready to come off. So I did down in here, so I had loosened the tension, or it's two bolts right there, one on the end and one right there, but it still didn't want to move, so I WD-40'd it. It moved a little bit, but it was still really hard. So right there, that one right there, it looks like it pivots on that point. So I loosened that up just a little bit, and now it's moving easier. So I didn't break my knuckles. I got a bar and just gently loosened it up. It was on there pretty good. So I need to remember to tighten that down after that belt is back in place and all back to where it should be. So we'll get that belt off and then we'll be ready for the next step.